She does not like sweet potatoes, and she's showing us. She kicks herself back and looks like she's going to throw up. So, Riley, how do you like the sweet potatoes? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Is it that bad?
Oh my
Mama
God.
made those. She steamed them last night. You don't act. That's rude. Let's show Mama. Mama.
Try one more time.
Yeah.
One more.
Let's
One more
see.
bite, Riley.
How is the sweet potatoes you made for me last night?
No squash.
Oh, squat. Don't fall back. Here you go. Ah.
Open.
Ah.
Open.
Kain na. Gusto mo pa? Kain na.
Oh my God. Okay. Okay. No more. Okay, we get it. Yeah,
Maybe we should have a drink. Let's have a drink one more time. Just one.
so mean.
Wash it down, girlfriend. Wash it down. Mama's cooking. Oh my God. Is it that bad? Oh, wash it down. Okay. She's like, yay. Okay, let's clean this up. Okay, one.